Today's lesson discusses some of the basics of English language which are relevant for the understanding of language analysis. Every language defines certain basic alphabets, words, word categories, and language formation rules called grammar rules. These categories are made according to their role in parts of speech. From the language analysis point of view, the style of a language must be concretely defined to design a working for that language. Though there is no hard and fast rule to name the formal categories, but it is customary to give various parts of speech their traditional names. The set of grammatical categories like noun, verb, etc., which are taught in English literature are very informal and are not precisely defined as formal grammar. In addition to this, there are many more distinctions that have to be made in a real parser. Hence, it is evident that for language processing using computer, the grammar writer should very clearly understand the basic work categories of any language types, of words and other constituents of the language, and the process in which they interact with each other. In linguistic analysis, Chomsky has done pioneer work in 1916. He has formally defined various grammars, types of grammars, features and characteristics of grammar. These are described in detail later in this chapter. As a result of Chomsky's work on transformational generative grammar, a vast amount of fairly descriptive linguistic analysis is carried out, and as a result of it, a large repository of terminology has grown up, which augments informal set of old-fashioned terms. Now let us describe elementary terminology of English grammar. The well-accepted English grammar terminology defines the following word categories. First, noun. Traditionally, a noun is considered a naming word. Formally, it is defined as the name of a person, place, or thing. However, noun can be sometimes an adverb, modifies the quality of even the complete sentence or phrase. The noun is of following types. Common noun. It is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken as one whole. For example, crowd, mob, team, flock, etc. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs as quality, like goodness and kindness. Countable nouns are the names of objects that can be counted, example, book, pen, etc. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which cannot be counted, like milk, oil, sugar, sky. The second category is the adjective. Adjective is a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place, thing with the noun names, or to tell the number of quantity is called adjective. That is, adjective is a word which qualifies or gives some degree of importance to the or characteristic to a noun. Now, first, adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. It shows the kind of or a quality of a person or thing. For example, an honest man. The second is adjective of quantity, which shows the number. The third is numeral adjective, which shows how many persons or things, etc. Fourth kind of an adjective is the demonstrative adjective. It points out which person or thing is meant. Fifth kind is the interrogative adjective. Sixth is the emphasizing adjective. And seventh is the exclamatory adjective. We will continue in the second lecture with the category articles.